Good day everyone, my name is Danilo A. Caberti Jr. I'm 18 years old. I live in Sangaan, Buntok, Southern Leyte. My hobbies is playing basketball and to build motorcycle. I study in Southern Leyte State University. My course is Bachelor Industrial Technology, major in electrical. My goals in life is to being a successful electrician and happy family, have a stable job and to help family. What is your improvement to yourself would you this semester to achieve your goals? To survive this semester, I need to improve my study habits, improve my skills and do activities in school to achieve goal. Thank you.